Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide or turn off the X-ray feature on Amazon Prime Video in the latest update 2025. Step 1. Open the Amazon Prime Video app on your device or web browser. Step 2. Start playing any show or movie where X-ray is normally active. Step 3. While the video plays, tap or click on the screen to bring up playback options. Step 4. Look for the X-ray icon in the upper left or right corner depending on your platform. Step 5. Tap the icon to minimize or close the X-ray pop-up. On some devices, it may appear as a toggle switch. Step 6. Unfortunately, there's no global setting to permanently disable X-ray, but once you close it during playback, it won't reappear unless reactivated. So if you are using a smart TV or console, use the remote's info or more button to toggle off the X-ray. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.